on Andrew. Some of it's quite furious, but the party is now used to that. Its members adapt that the game of the PNP is to try and assault the leader of the party. So it's generation change, and it has some impact, but it is not having the impact there because I think politically the party leadership workers understand that this is the PNP game. Try and destroy the leader of the party. It's not working, and we will ensure he is re-elected, whatever you call the election between now and September.
What will be the decisive factor determining the outcome of the elections?
No, the most decisive is still leadership, and then the second thing is the organization on the ground. And we are putting in the organization across some time, a bit too quietly, but I don't mind that because this is why, but we're at a stage where we'll have to maybe raise the profile because some of the workers in the areas we are not yet been able to sit with them and provide the structure and organization. Begin to worry a little bit, just like they are a bit anxious now in the seats where we haven't, the two seats we haven't selected their flag bearers, but, so we will maybe raise our profile in terms of what we're doing in the organization. But that's going in place very quietly and effectively, and we are confident we have the organization to ensure that Andrew Holness will be elected and that his